whenever you attend a seminar, guys, it is impossible. Let's just say a whole day seminar, it is impossible to absorb everything. Your goal is not to absorb everything. No, your goal is just to get 3 insights that you can use in your business, and that is more than enough. Multiply na. Kung magkano mo yung binayaran mo sa tickets, it's already multiplied. One insight can make you $500,000. I guess, kanya-kanya tayo ng perception. That's how I see seminar. That's how I see mentoring. That's how I see books. That is why I always buy books. It's bargain. That if I just need one insight from this book, let's just say a marketing book or a personal development book or a sales book, just one insight can change completely the direction of my business, can multiply my income. That is why even, up to now, guys, I never stop. One thing, when I sign up to become a mentor, to become a coach, sabi ko, I need to continuously level up so that people who follow me, people who believe in me, I can raise them up too. Do I make sense, guys? Like, may mga estudyante na ako ngayon. They are now making more than how much I make. Absolutely. There are few, not a lot, pero there are few, they're making more than. I'm so happy for that, because whenever you hear a success stories and you were a mentor when they were starting, when they are new, or when they got stuck somewhere, amazing joy. And they may not do everything that you said, but again, just one insight that could change the course of your life. That is why never, ever stop learning. Most importantly, the question, Sir Jon, whom should we learn? From someone who's been there and done that. Ulitin ko, guys, before I even start IBMC and coaching and mentoring people, I already doing this for years and already made millions from this business for years. I don't have a yacht. I don't have a large house. I only have one car, right? So I'm not like trying to give you a perception of super filthy, wealthy, rich. No, I'm not, but I'm having an amazing life. I have yung tinatawag kong ang chillionaire life, which is, I believe, for most of you, yun naman ang gusto natin, right? Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.